One of the things you'll learn as you learn the skill of organization is that every time you go to reorganize a space that you have already organized before, it happens much quicker, the organization gets better, and you're able to get rid of more and more. The very first thing I did was I got all of the empty hangers out of the closet and I put them in a laundry basket. Hangers are complicated. When your hangers are on the rod or even if they're on the floor, they tend to get tangled together. It's very frustrating. Hangers can be very frustrating. So I want you to do a couple of things when you go for your hangers and you're going to start to organize your closet. First of all, a laundry basket will help you a lot because you could put the hangers in the laundry basket and have all of the hangers facing the same direction, as if they were hanging up on a rod, but they're not. It will be easy to organize the hangers in this way and grab a hanger when you need one when you're putting things back into the closet and not tripping over them. This step can take up to 10 minutes, but it really is the step that will make going through your closet so much easier and nicer when you don't have those hangers in the way. So I've told you this before. How I go through my kids' clothes is I hold each item up high and the kids look at it and they say keep or get rid of, or they say yes or no. So yes means keep, no means I don't want it anymore. This is a pretty fast process for us because we have done it over and over and over again. I would say we do this at least 2 times, sometimes 4 times a year, and I've been doing this ever since my kids were 5 years old. So for Joey, that means we've probably done this almost 100 times. So my kids are really good at this. And I will tell you, because I do this often, and they know that I go super fast. I go super fast for 2 reasons. 1, I don't want this to take forever. And 2, I know kids get bored. So if I can get all of the decisions made in about 15 minutes, then we're good to go.